Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Before the break, we were speaking about the two attributes of Allah, Al-Mutakabbir and then Al-Khaliq. And in this session, we are going to take Al-Bari, the evolver, and Al-Musawwir, the fashioner. First Al-Bari, the evolver, and they are mentioned in the ayah of Surah Al-Hashr. هو الله الخالق البارئ المصور له الأسماء الحسنى يسبح له ما في السماوات والأرض وهو العزيز الحكيم. He is Allah, Al-Khaliq, the creator, Al-Bari, who brings them from nothing to existence, Al-Musawwir, who gives them surah, the shape and form, له الأسماء الحسنى. To him belongs all the good names. يُسَبِّهُ لَهُ مَا فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. Everything in the heaven, in the earth is celebrating his praises. وَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ. And he is dominant, he is wise. And that is the last verse of Surah Al-Hashr, where these two attributes, Al-Bari and Al-Musawwir, along with Al-Khaliq, has been mentioned. Now, when we come to the attribute Al-Bari, which is from Bara'a, what means Bara'a? It is used also to give cure. If someone is sick or ill and he is cured, the person who brought that cure to him is to be known as Al-Bari. But here, this is the attribute of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Al-Bari, that he gives cure. But in the same way, Bara also means to create something, bring something from nothing to existence. So both meanings are valid here. And according to some, the word is from Bara. Bara, which means the clay itself. So Al-Bari here, it means the one who created from the clay. And that is the first man, Adam. Anyhow, whether you take this meaning or that meaning, it means Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is the creator. Then what is the difference between Al-Khaliq and Al-Bari? Does it mean the same thing? There is a slight difference, because as we have said, that Al-Khaliq, it means that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has estimated for each and everything what is needed for its creation. This is just like an architect. The architect who is going to make a plan in the beginning for a building. And in that plan, he is going to estimate everything which is needed for that building. Though it is just drawn on the paper, but actually you can see the whole building in that plan. Later comes the constructor, and he constructs according to that plan. And later, at one stage, there are fashioners, there are designers who is going to beautify that building. But in the case of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he is the planner, and he is the one who builds or creates, and he is the one who beautifies. In all his creations, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala takes all these three stages in his own hand. He is going to estimate everything what is needed for the creation of the man. The man, when he is created in this planet, all right, whatever he is needed, that is also created for him. You can see that he needed water, he needed air, he needed sunlight. Everything was created for him. And in the very same way, when you see the whole body of a person and the place of each and every organ of the body, you will find it in its best place. The place of the eye, for example, that is the place where they should be. Because if they were just on your nape, for example, or on your back, you may be laughing at that concept, that you have always to walk in reverse if your eyes were on your back or on your nape. In the same way, what about your head? it is on the top of your body, and the feet, which is at the lowest part of your body. How if they have been turned totally upside down? People would be walking on their heads with their legs high. Again, something to ridicule at. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has estimated everything, and then according to that estimation, He has brought the thing into existence. So we can say that in al-khalq, or in creation, the estimation of the things is considered, and as far as the word al-Bari is concerned, it means that there was nothing, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created something from nothing. So He is al-Khaliq and He is al-Bari as well.